very welcome from Manila, Philippines. I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time in Philippines, and it was my dream. So I'm so happy I'm here. It's early morning. We try to go to our hotel, and then I have some plans. Stay tuned. You will see that. Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. We are already in a Grab. It's super easy. There is lots of people to help you. So if you are not sure how to order Grab, they definitely help you. We are going to our hotel and see if they can accommodate us. But it's very early, so I'm not really sure. But at least we will leave all our luggage there and we will go explore. So far, wow, it looks really nice. I'm so excited. This is actually like a bus. It's so cheap. Hopefully I can try it. I'm already in my hotel and what I'm actually planning to do today is another challenge. If I can survive with 30 pounds here in Manila, I want to do everything. I'm going actually to do my pedicure this morning. So far I just spent 180 pounds for a Grab. We got a 50% discount from airport to our hotel. I'm in my hotel, going to have some swim, and then I will go explore Manila. I actually stay in Makati area, which is one of the best area here in Manila. You can walk around, everything is close by, you have lots of shops, restaurants here. And especially if you are first time visitor like me, lots of people recommended this area and so far I am glad I chose this. I am walking around Makati. It's so nice here, modern, lots of nice building, but it's park here as well. Really cool. Check this cute concept. You can come here and read a book. You can actually take it and you can bring a book if you want. Oh, it's really nice. It's a good idea. I'm in a mall and looking for a spa. So I'm going to have my pedicure done and it should be somewhere near. I found it. I'm going for my pedicure with a massage. I liked my pedicure. It was really good. I paid 700 pesos, which is approximately 9 pounds 50, something like that. Now I'm going to Quinta Market. I'm waiting for a Grab. It should be approximately 300 pesos. I will let you know when I finish the ride. We arrived to Quinta Market. Journey was endless. It was so long. Traffic here in Manila is crazy. But we are here, we are going to explore and have some food, hopefully. I need to pass. Okay, here. Okay. I'm here.
Pabangot deh. Sorry.
Mga brand ng drink, 25. May tatlo, isandaan tayo mga classic drink. 50 lang. Ay, napakamura, ha? Meron din po tayo mga lady. 50 pesos, may bulsa na po yan, ha? Meron din tayo
I'd go for medium, please.
We are trying this lemonade. And we are getting medium for 20.
Got the nice beautiful coin.
Yeah, 20 pesos. It's really nice. Oh, it's refreshing. Lovely. So far, I did not see any food which I would like to try. It's not like in Thailand, it's different. It's more like clothes here, like other stuff. Maybe I will find something. I am going to have this Vietnamese coffee, iced coffee, for 99 pesos. I got my coffee. Oh, it's really busy here, but I love it. It's really good. I like it. Yeah, I didn't look through. So far, this is cheaper than taxi. Hopefully, it's not going to be more expensive.
It's very cheap, yeah, the cheap price.
Jeepney going to Backyard back to Divisoria.
Okay, so this was actually fail. He told us we know where it is, and then he didn't know. So we asked him to leave us. And we are waiting for Grab. Don't trust this. Tuk-tuk drivers is everywhere at the same. Really, don't trust them. Grab from the market to our hotel was 300 pesos. Even though the market market wasn't what I expected. I'm glad I went because I saw like a Filipino sculpture. It's like old part, definitely different than Makati. Makati is modern with some skyscrapers, etc. And it's really nice. Very good evening from Manila. I have couple of hours sleep because after almost 3 days without sleep I needed some rest. But I'm ready to explore again. We are going to night market here in Makati. Hopefully it's going to be better than the first one which we visit during the day. It is called Venue Outdoor Market. It is food market, so we will see. It's just like after 8 o'clock. We don't know because we might get tired, but maybe we will go and explore some karaoke bars or something. As you can see, Manila is always busy. I think this city never sleeps. When we arrived this morning at 5 o'clock or 5:30, something like that, I couldn't believe how busy it was. We actually saw it from the plane, and like so many cars on a highway. We are here, we can already see the smoke, and this is what I was looking for. Let's go and check it. It is small, but if you are into street food, you will find something to eat here. And it was definitely cheap. They are going to have live music. We might either stay here or find some bar. We will see. So we actually returned to the food market and we are having beers. Guess the price for beers. This was 70 pesos. Radior was 70 as well.
It was 90.
90. Alright, so dark beer 90, mine 70. Amazing. We had just that one beer. We listened to music for a few minutes. But we are heading back to the hotel. I think we will call a night tonight. Hopefully we will get some proper sleep and we are ready to explore Manila tomorrow. I am actually not sure how much money I spent today, so I need to count that and you will see that at the end of this video, all my expenses. So I don't know if I managed to stick with my 30 pounds budget, hopefully. But to be honest, Manila is really cheap. You can have a cheap meal, cheap drinks. Even actually if you are looking for accommodation, there is plenty of budget-friendly options here. But even actually 5-star resort or like better hotels are not that expensive, so if you are looking for some luxury experience, you can do it here in Philippines without breaking a bank. Hopefully you like this video, it might help you with your travel to the Philippines, and stay tuned because lots of other stuff from Philippines, but not only, is coming. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.